learn how you can duplicate any spread, any drop zone, any text box, any color box in Fundy Designer so that you reuse it in a different location or on a different spread. So this problem is from Ben Hartley. He wanted to be able to take half the photos from one spread and put it on a different spread, but you can't drag them all at once. So the easy thing to do is just duplicate the spread. We're going to go to Edit, Duplicate Spread with Photos, or the hotkey is the Shift D button. So Shift D, that spread will duplicate. Now I can go in here and I can just start removing photos on this spread. And then go to the next spread and then remove these photos, the color ones. And now I have two spreads with the photos that were on one spread. Now let's open up a magazine and I'm going to show you how you can duplicate color blocks, text, etc. It's the same process. So now we're in a magazine, we can select anything, whether it be a text block. We can do Shift D, duplicate the text, move that over. Any PNG. Additionally, if you have lines or color blocks, the process is exactly the same. And that's how you duplicate anything within Fundy Designer.